Mentakasi ke arpusan tarik urempang hajar arpuar, la plie paidbah eka Phase 2 ICMR STEMI Act Project ha Banquet Hall Pinewood Hotel Shillong, da Menteri ketenat kekuat kekia ujem sangma. Habakran hakani ka program ujem sangma ulayaro eka Hospital Nigrims, kabala syajid haka ICMR banbo eka Nodal Center, ban pentrikam yakani ka skim ha Meghalaya. Kibadan lang hakani ka program kilong, MN Nampui, Commissioner bat Secretary Ketenat Health and Family Welfare, ikong RM Kurba, Secretary Ketenat Health and Family Welfare, u Dr. Amanwar, DHS, bat kiway.
This is indeed a really proud moment for me as Minister in charge of Health, Government of Meghalaya. And I would like to first and foremost place on record our sincere thanks to Professor Nalin Mehtaji and his entire team at Nigrims, ICMR, and also of course our officials and our doctors of the health department for, to borrow the words of Professor Mehta, to bring about this marriage of technology and medicine and bring forth this intervention which I have full belief and faith that this will bring about an environment which will save so many lives in the future.
Because this is a very, very important moment, a watershed moment, I would say, for both the central and the state health authorities, wherein we have collaborated together for the benefit of the people of Shillong. Now, technology marrying with healthcare delivery here, where immaterial of whether a cardiologist is present or not, the minute a patient reaches a hospital, the ECG is taken by the technician there. Every hospital has an ECG machine, even a primary health center. That ECG record through this dedicated app is sent to Nigrims, where our cardiologists are available 24/7, round the clock. The minute the ECG comes, they analyze the ECG and tell the peripheral spoke whether this patient merits or does not merit the thrombolytic agent. And if the patient merits, then the thrombolytic agent is administered within minutes. So it takes just that transfer of the app, the ECG on the app and the decision taken in minutes. So within the golden period, we can save many lives.